Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Ebike Lock is probably one of the most essential accessories for any e-bike owner. With the increasing popularity of e-bikes, the risk of theft has also risen, making a reliable lock a must-have. In this video, we'll dive into the world of e-bike locks, exploring different types, features, and what to look for to keep your ride secure. Number 5. Sigtuna Ebike Lock, cut resistant. Introducing the Sigtuna Ebike Lock, designed to keep your bike safe. This heavy-duty lock is built to resist cutting and theft, providing you with peace of mind. Made with special cut-resistant steel, this U-lock is incredibly strong. It's built to withstand the toughest attempts to break it, ensuring your bike stays secure. The Sigtuna Ebike U-lock comes with a 4-foot cable for added security. This allows you to secure your wheels or other accessories, making it even harder for thieves to steal. It includes a sturdy mounting bracket for easy attachment to your bike frame. This keeps it conveniently accessible when you need it, and out of the way when you don't. Whether you have a bike, e-bike, or scooter, this lock is the perfect choice. It's designed to provide reliable protection for various types of vehicles, so you can ride with confidence. What we like. This lock is built with cut-resistant special steel, providing a robust defense against theft. Its heavy-duty construction ensures durability, and the included 4-foot cable offers added flexibility for securing your bike. If you're looking for a reliable lock with extra reach, this is a great choice. What people say. The cable is long enough to wrap through both wheels, and the lock is extremely thick and solid, so I have no qualms about leaving my bike locked up. The lock twists to hide the keyhole out of sight, which is a nice feature. Sigtuna is wider than FoldyLock, which helps to lock the wheel with the frame and the pole easily and comfortably. Number 4. Seatylock FoldyLock Compact Folding Bike Lock. This is the best lightweight folding bike lock. It's portable and protects your bicycle without any codes. It's strong equipment for city, outdoor, and urban cycling. This bike lock gives you peace of mind with its patented, ultra-secure, hardened, waterproof, and weatherproof design. It has anti-tamper rivets and a multi-locking guard system to stop thieves. It comes with a key and a secure protection system. The Pro Kit includes accessories like master keys and an easy-carry case holder. This flexible and foldable lock opens to a 33.5-inch chain link circumference. The lock includes a premium frame mount for a quiet ride. The heavy-duty bike lock mounting bracket is designed for mountain, road, sport, standard bikes, and scooters, ensuring silent gear. This smart bike lock is a 2020 European Design Award winner. It combines maximum anti-theft security with quality. It's the perfect lock for safe cycles outside. What we like. This lock is lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry around. Its award-winning design speaks to its quality and effectiveness, and it's sold secure silver rated for added security. If you value portability and top-tier security, this is the lock for you. What people say. It is coated so that it does not scrape the paint on my bike frame. It is long enough to fit around the bike and lock to a rack. It is lightweight and I carry mine in my tote bag. Number 3. Sigtuna 8mm Fold-Up Heavy-Duty Bike Lock. This heavy-duty steel lock is designed to protect your bike. The anti-scratch coating ensures that your bike's paintwork remains undamaged. It's a reliable way to deter theft. The foldable design makes it easy to mount. You can quickly attach it to your bike frame or a railing. It's convenient and user-friendly. The key lock mechanism provides secure locking. This ensures your bike is safe when you're not around. It offers peace of mind. Made from durable plastic and steel, this lock is built to last. It's waterproof and resistant to wear and tear. This ensures it can withstand various weather conditions. The foldable design makes it easy to carry and store. When not in use, it folds up compactly. This makes it convenient to take with you. What we like. This folding lock features an anti-scratch coating to protect your bike's finish, and it's designed for easy mounting. Its foldable design allows for convenient storage when not in use. If you like a lock that is easy to mount and store, this one is a great choice. What people say. Folds up small and has a good holder you can put on the bike's frame. It has this flexibility quality to it, allowing you to lock to virtually anywhere. The joints are very smooth, it's very easy to unfold and fold this lock. Number 2. Velo 2022 Electric Bike Lock Set. Introducing the Velo Bike Lock Set. This set offers triple protection to keep your bike secure. It includes a folding lock, a U-lock, and a cable lock, giving you peace of mind. The folding lock is made of extra-hardened HRC 55 Rockwell stainless steel. Its 33.5-inch open diameter is perfect for electric bikes and fat tire scooters. This lock is built to last and withstand tough conditions. The heavy-duty U-lock features an extra thickness and is fully coated with weatherproof materials. The included 6-foot cable provides additional security for your wheels or accessories. Together, they offer comprehensive protection. This lock set is designed to protect various types of bikes, including electric bikes, folding bikes, and scooters. Whether you have a mountain bike or an e-bike, this set has you covered. It's a versatile solution for all your needs. As a customer, you'll receive full support from their professional team. They offer a 90-day money-back warranty, a 3-year replacement warranty, and a unique key guard program. They are committed to your satisfaction. What we like. This set comes with a 3-in-1 lock system, including a heavy-duty U-lock and an extended cable for comprehensive protection. The U-lock is built with super-hardened steel. If you have an e-bike or need maximum security, this set provides peace of mind. What people say. I love that I have the same key, 4 in total, for both locks. The long U-bolt style, combined with the thick cables, will allow me to lock the two trikes together in a way that will not be easy to move them. They're both very strong, and coupled with choosing the right location to lock them up, they're an excellent deterrent and capable locks. Number 1. Seatylock FoldyLock Classic Folding Bike Lock. This top-rated bike lock offers peace of mind for 3 years. It's portable and solid, protecting your bicycle without the need for codes or chains. This key-based lock is designed to deter thieves in city, outdoor, and urban cycling environments. The lock features patented anti-theft technology. It has ultra-strong, anti-tamper rivets and a robust guard system, making it resistant to side attacks. This unbreakable, waterproof protector ensures your bicycle's safety. This flexible and foldable lock is incredibly easy to use and carry. It opens to a 37.4-inch chain link circumference and comes with master keys and a case holder. It's designed for convenience and security. Enjoy a quiet ride with this bike lock. It includes a frame mount, ensuring a secure and silent experience. This is the best choice for electric, mountain, road, sport, and standard bikes, as well as scooters and motorcycles. This lock combines maximum anti-theft security with quality design. It's a pro-level, sold secure silver safety tool made with hardened steel components. It's the ultimate choice for safe cycles outside. What we like. This lock features a patented design and is sold secure silver rated, ensuring a high level of security. It's also designed to be easy to use and carry. If you are looking for a lock that combines top-level security with ease of use, this is the one. What people say. Fits so easily on bike, folds compact into its holder, hard to tell it's even there. I get comments on how cool it is. The folding design is compact and easy to mount on the frame, which is a nice touch. The key slides in smoothly and the lock opens and closes with no resistance. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.